If you look at world events to date, Israel attacked Iran, Pakistan and India both have hundreds of nuclear weapons and they're attacking each other. Putin's threatening to release radiation on the battlefield in Ukraine. President Trump signed a new executive order to quadruple the amount of nuclear power facility energy generated in the U.S. So many options. There's nuclear-powered subs, there's nuclear-powered ships, CAT scans. So there's a lot of potential for exposure to radiation. So the drug that we licensed from the DoD was developed by the DoD for their warfighters that could potentially be exposed to radiation on the battlefield. You think Ukraine, North Korea. That has a whole body effect. They can take the drug the day before, take it weeks before, and then if you're exposed, unlike iodine, people think iodine is a radioprotectant drug, that protects your thyroid and just from accumulating in your thyroid. The rest of your body is still damaged. Our drug protects your entire body almost like an Iron Man shield would do. And so it's the same drug that we're protecting warfighters on the battlefield, personnel in the nuclear power facilities, and patients getting cancer radiation therapy all take the same drug to protect their healthy tissues.
It's just very costly to develop a drug. And not only do they have this opportunity to pursue additional federal funding through the Department of Defense, but then there's also the commercial opportunities with, healthcare. So when we funded the phase 3 commercialization project for them, it was really that attempt to help bridge that gap that they're experiencing and really understanding what the true market potential is within different market segments. And we wanted to support that.
Yeah, without Minnesota SBIR, we would have had to raise funding, oftentimes at a low valuation. In the middle of COVID, there was no valuation, and so if we did need to raise $100,000, for example, we'd be giving away a lot more of the company and diluting our current shareholders than would be necessary. The SBIR gives you the ability to buy time to put things together so that you can raise money at a reasonable valuation. Right now we have this one radioprotectant drug that we're protecting soldiers. We're starting there, and then we look to protect global soldiers, and then first responders, CAT scans, cancer radiation therapy. There's a lot we have in front of us. And so we intend to continue that and commercialize that to the best of our ability. To do that, we have to scale up manufacturing. We have to run different models, and these funds we're receiving now enable us to do that. We spend about $1 million a month right now on our research development. Most of that is in Minnesota. And so LifeCore is an example where we're spending money to have them design and package auto-injectors for us. We hire a lot of consultants, all our legal, all our accounting, all our professional support. We're networked to other areas that have the University of Minnesota does a lot of work for us. We pay for all of that with contracted funds that we receive from the federal government. And the SBIR programs help you do that or give you the tools to be able to do that.